and later part of his secondary education at Kamil Musin Tavua, the police officer residing in Rovondrao in Navua currently. That's the coach for Lautoka, Shivam Melvin Raj. Originally from Lambasa. Now the shot taken, a long range shot that time by Serusin Alaumbo, having his luck, maybe testing his boot. Out of the 4 they have played, 3 group matches and the semi-final. And Chavili Simborisi holds the clean sheet, him being the only goalkeeper that has not conceded a single goal in this competition. Jackson Wale from the right inside couldn't quite contain that one. Jackson Wale from Solomon Islands, 20-year-old. There he is again. Infield pass taken away. Tested down the time by Felipe and Vinal, a bit slow. But Ali Mekawir is there to complement and take that away. Sterling, Trivuna. Vinal puts it back there. Chese will take care of that one for Lautoka. Naisua. Zakaria Naisua plants a huge one into the hands of Chavili Simborisi. Now Felipe, rather Colinio Sivoki brings it away. You can see Jackson Wale again there. He was born in the Solomon Islands National Referral Hospital and comes out of the Malaita province in Solomon Islands. And here is a chance, Ali Mekawir, and the shot taken that time by Rahul Krishna. I thought Ali Mekawir would want to finish it on his own, but he tried not to be selfish and he laid it for an oncoming Rahul Krishna. And Rahul's shot is the closest of the chances here. It has been missed. Ali Mekawir again. Jackson Wale is on his right. Ali Mekawir puts it into the box. Chese flicks it away. Again Ali. Ali Mekawir still on his own. And a tough nut to crack is Sitiveni Thavoy Langi. And Chese's clearance in the path of Zainal there. Zainal originally from Nandi. Now quick pass from Gerard and Jackson Wale, and the goalkeeper is there. The goalkeeper, Senirusin Bokini, collects that one. Jackson Wale, we talked about him. He played for the Wanyangu Football Club in Solomon Islands. There he is, the 20-year-old from the Malaita province in Solomon Islands. And we say a very good afternoon to Sati Siteya, Master Sati Siteya, watching all the way from USA as well, with his wife and the family in Carson, California. So welcome on the live streaming production from here to all our viewers in Fiji and across the globe as well. Also Praveet Singh Bora, they call him Bora, from formerly from Botwalevu in Nandi, watching in New Zealand with his friends out there. As we have gone 6 minutes now into the first half of this 90 minutes affair. Cleverly playing it down for the goalkeeper was Felipe from Borisi, and receiving is Felipe again. Nalombo's challenge made him play there. Thomas Dunn and Vinal. Vinal Prasad from Lane Point in Lambasa. Ali Mekawir goes across there for that one, keeping it in the field of play. You can see the signal he just saw. Jackson Wale is waiting. They are not playing it to him quickly. Thomas Dunn is holding on. Still Thomas Dunn, and he has been brought down there. Thomas Dunn dancing away to the music of the instruments from the grandstand here, and he dived down with that momentum of the foul committed at the edge of the box. The grand final of Digicel Fijifect 2024. We watch it here. Watch Thomas Dunn. There he is, standing away and coming in the way that time. Shivam No, it is Aporosayada in number 7, and foul committed by him. It's a free kick. Zebras and Colinio Sivoki, they've played together for Lautoka before, and a bit of words between them, teasing and laughing before they face this one here. The free kick. Colinio Sivoki, remember, has scored from this situation. Can he repeat it here at Subrail Park in Lambasa with 8 minutes coming up now into the first half? Sairusi Nalaumbu trying to block. That will be illegal for him to do so. He has been asked to move away. As the kick to come in, Bokini waiting. And Sivoki will take this one. Hits the wall as Jared races back now from Poondo village in the province of Malaita in Solomon Islands. This youngster, Jared Rongosulia, attended the Panatina Primary School and Betikama Secondary School and plays for the same club that Jackson Wally and Ali Mekawir they played for. And that is Waniangu Football Club in Solomon Islands. Here is Jared again, partnering well with his former club member, the colleague at Waniangu Football Club. The three of them, all three of these islanders, the Solomon Islanders, Jared, Jackson, and Mekawir, they all come out of the Waniangu Football Club in Solomon Islands. And all this while, it has been Navua mostly putting pressure. The header there, Nia Felipe, Baravilala, Vinal Prasad. And that one will enjoying the coverage being presented with the families and friends there in Sydney and supporting the Navua side. Now from that far side, Thomas Dunn stretching, trying to keep it in the field of play, couldn't quite do so. And that's a throw in to Lautoka, Stelling. Syed Ali coached Oceania. Fiberglass Navua side has not conceded any goals in this tournament. Remember, here's a chance, and that shot, they almost broke that clean sheet for Navua. Moni Shivam from that far end. Aporosayada was the one, not Muni Shivam.